Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Shilpi here. If you're new to my channel, let me tell you that I am pregnant with my second child and currently in my third trimester. I shoot videos about pregnancy, motherhood, beauty and lifestyle. So this video is going to be all about unboxing the freebies I received from different registries. So let's get started. The first freebie that I got is from the Target. I got this by creating a baby registry at the Target website. After creating the registry, they gave me a code which I showed at the Target store at their service desk, and they just gave me this freebie. So let's unbox this and see what's inside this. The first thing that we have is a MAM bottle. It's a easy start anti-colic MAM bottle. It also comes with a pacifier. So this is the bottle. It's a small cute little bottle and it comes with a small cute little pacifier for the newborn. The second we have is some Honest baby wipes. It's a pack of 10 wipes. Then we have some Huggies Little Snugglers diaper. It's a pack of 3 diapers, newborn size 1. Then we have some water wipes. It's a pack of 10 wipes. The Pampers Swaddler pack, and in this we have some Pampers Sensitive Perfume Free baby wipes. It's a pack of 6 wipes, size 1 newborn diaper, along with some coupons for the pamper. Then we have some Lencino breastfeeding samples inside. This includes 2 disposable nursing pads and 2 breast milk storage bags. The item that I got is a Dr. Brown's bottle. Next we have a Drift baby detergent, laundry detergent sample pack. It's a stage 1 newborn. Then we have some sample of Upspring Milk Flow and Electrolyte breastfeeding supplements. Then we have an Aquapore baby diaper rash cream sample. Then we have Johnson's baby lotion. Then we have some Boogie wipes. These are good when the baby gets cold. So these are saline wipes, so it's good to clear up their nose. Then we have some Sheer Moisture baby wash and shampoo sample pack. We have Palmer's stretch mark lotion. Have a Target pamphlet. It just says that we need to go to and download the Target app and join the Target Circle, and there we can get offers in Target Circle under the baby registry. So if you are looking for something for the baby, you can get some offers by just going and downloading the Target app. That's all we have for the Target freebie. The second freebie bag I got is from Bye Bye Baby. So for them also, I just created a baby registry at the website, and I just walked into the store with the code, and they just gave me this freebie. So let's unbox and see what's inside it. First we have a Philips Advent 4 O's anti-colic bottle with air-free vent. So this is the bottle. Second, we have a Philips Advent 4 O's natural bottle. So I think so this is like, the shape is more natural. We have a Pampers Swaddlers pack, and in this we have some coupons of the Drift laundry detergent, some coupons for the Pampers, $1 off, $1.50 off, and some information about the Pampers Club. We have some Pampers Sensitive Perfume Free baby wipes, a count of 6, and a size 1 newborn baby diaper. Also have a coupon for Mommy Bliss gripe water. It's a save $1.50. Then we have Dr. Brown's breastfeeding. I think so there are some samples for the breastfeeding. Like I think so there might be breast milk storage bags or nursing pads. Let's open and see. Oh, there are 4 storage bags. Breast milk steam sterilizer bag. Posable breast pads, 4 pads. Then we have an Aquapore healing cream, diaper rash cream. It's a travel size. I have a Palmer's stretch mark lotion. Then I got a Bye Bye Baby credit card, like a pamphlet to apply for the Bye Bye Baby credit. We got a baby on board sign. Newborn hair and body wash and lotion samples. And then we got some Mommy's Bliss gripe water sample. Again we have some boogie wipes, and it also got a coupon of 50 cents off. We got Baby Organics moisturizing daily lotion sample, and we got a Bye Bye Baby registry guide. So I looked into this guide, and I think so it's really useful for new moms to know like what all options are there, and you can just check it out. I think so it's a good one. See, like for the swaddles, there's so many types, you can just decide. So I think so this one is a good one. That's all we have for the Bye Bye Baby freebie. The third freebie I got is from Amazon Baby Registry. So for getting the Amazon Baby Registry welcome kit, there are few steps that you need to follow. First, you need to create a baby registry with Amazon. You need to be a Prime member for that, and then you have to complete the baby registry. There are like some items you have to like make sure you just check it. You just put a check mark on those items, and then you have to purchase a $10 item from the baby registry. Either you or somebody else can purchase it for you. So, and after that, when you have completed all these steps, a welcome kit is added to your account. You need to just place the order for it, and then it comes to your home. So it took me about a week to get this order. Well, so let's get started and see what's inside. The first thing that we have is the Philips Advent 4O's natural bottle. Then we have some Huggies special delivery diapers. It's a pack of 3, newborn size 1. Have some Aquapore healing ointment baby sample. Then we have a Drift baby detergent stage 1 sample. We got a Nano baby pacifier. Then we have some water wipes sample. It's a pack of again 10 wipes. We have a Baby Dove lotion sensitive moisture sample. It's like 130 ml bottle. Baby Bum coconut balm. It's also a 28 gram or 1 oz bottle. Then we have the Cetaphil baby wash and shampoo. Then we have some coupons from Gerber formula. We have a Cetaphil baby wash and shampoo coupon. Pacifier. We have one gift from the Amazon Baby Registry. It's a 3-piece set of hat, gloves and socks. Oh, this is so cute. So this is a nice warm hat for the baby. So it's good to have, and I think so the size is also good. And there are a cute little pair of socks and some mittens. That's it in the Amazon Baby Registry welcome kit. I will put the link for all the sites that I've mentioned here. You can just go click on that, create your baby registry, and follow all the steps and get your freebies. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. For more updates on beauty, pregnancy, motherhood and lifestyle, keep watching my channel. Bye.